Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play split screen on Subnautica PS5. It's important to know that the original Subnautica and its sequel, Below Zero, are fundamentally single-player games. The developers crafted these titles to deliver a deeply immersive and solitary underwater adventure. This means there is no official split screen or local co-op feature available for you to enjoy with a friend on your PlayStation 5 console. The developers intentionally designed Subnautica for a solo experience, focusing on the player's personal journey through an alien ocean. This design choice truly amplifies the sense of isolation and the thrill of discovery as you uncover the planet's mysteries alone. You'll manage your resources, build your bases, and face terrifying creatures, all while immersed in a unique, single-player narrative that makes every moment your own. While console players cannot experience multiplayer, it's worth noting that the PC community has developed unofficial mods, like Nitrox, to enable online co-op for the original Subnautica. These fan-made modifications allow several players to explore together on a computer. However, these mods are exclusive to the PC platform and are not available for installation or use on any console, including your PlayStation 5. Looking ahead, the next installment in the series, Subnautica 2, is confirmed to include official online co-op, supporting up to 4 players. This is a significant change, allowing friends to explore a new aquatic world together. While this upcoming game will offer online multiplayer with crossplay across platforms, it will not feature local split-screen couch co-op. So, while you can team up online, you won't be sharing a single screen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.